I'm about to pull so hard.
This is day 2 of living with my homie
How you doing, guys?
for 7 days.
Look at this view, though. I'm the view. What the fuck?
See, bro's the view right now. Damn.
I'm about to pull so hard.
We didn't see that. We didn't see that. So just random guy. Why the fuck are you sitting like this? Can you explain yourself?
I'm scared of the sun. I got shade.
He got shade. Yeah, throwing shade on him.
That's not what I said. That's not cup.
Alright, we've arrived in Best Buy.
It's literally the same fucking setup.
What?
Yeah, it's the
Okay, that. In what world?
It's the same fucking sound.
Bruh.
Y'all geek guys tripping.